Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 Social Media Marketing Tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make a viral Vine video. Number 1, be useful. In this example from Lowe's, their Fix in 6 Vine marketing campaign described itself as a collection of clever improvements that make life at home a little easier. And 6 seconds is all it needed to teach viewers stuff like how to remove water stains with a lemon, how to prevent squirrels raiding your bird feeder, and how to use talcum powder to stop your floors from squeaking. Not only were the clips helpful, but they are beautifully shot and eye-grabbing in their use of stop-motion animation. Next up, we've got Collaborate. This one obviously works best if you have connections further up the Vine food chain, or related businesses or people that you can collaborate with by inviting popular Vine users to work with and produce Vines for your own channel can really help to bring you more exposure. In this example, Virgin Mobile teamed up with Nash Grier, who has over 7 million followers at the time of writing this, to produce a series of phone-related clips. Number 3 is feature your customers. There's no better way to make a customer feel special and spread positive social proof about your brand than to re-Vine their clips about your company. In this example, Disney Parks shares a fun clip about the feelings that people have for their theme parks, and these are emotions that resonate with tons of other people and will encourage them to share the Vine video. Next up is to be funny. Some of the most shareable videos on Vine are the ones that make people laugh, or even just smile. In this example from Dunkin' Donuts, made to promote its Peep Top Donuts, all it took was the peep sound at the end to make me crack a smile and want to introduce the clip to others. So it might be simple and stupid, but it works. Number 5 is to have the cool factor. With such a small window of time to capture the attention of a Vine user, an eye-catching clip with an idea that makes someone say cool is more likely to get your creation shared. In the example above, Ford advertises its Mustang car by taking a miniature version of the motor on a cruise around San Francisco. And number 6 is to share and encourage sharing. A Vine video rarely goes viral in isolation, so make sure that you share the creation on other social networks, especially Twitter, where the clip will play and can be retweeted directly within the newsfeed, as Oreo has done in this clip above. You could also include a call to action in the tweet itself and in the Vine's description, but the most viral of tweets, or those that have the most potential, shouldn't need any kind of encouragement like this. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.